So what's up guys? So welcome back po sa aking YouTube channel. Kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, ang channel na ito ay nagtuturo ng online tutorials, review investment platforms, at kung gusto mong kumita gamit ang earning site, kung interesado ka sa ganitong content, huwag mong kalimutan magpindot ng subscribe button at hit the notification bell para ma-notify ka sa susunod nating videos. Disclaimer: this channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational for good news to all Vice City users. This is the good news for all Vice City users. So I'm going to show you how to transfer your Vice City token, and we have a token balance 2,778 by City or 24 USDT. Now I'm going to show you how to transfer your Buy City tokens into your own wallet. So first step, you must download the Kiwi browser on App Store or Play Store. And then next, you have to search MetaMask extension, and then just click the first website and then go to add to Chrome. Then after that, just click OK. Then just wait for the MetaMask installed in your browser called Kiwi, and we will find this in our settings. Just wait. And here we go. Just click I agree and create a new wallet. Click I agree. Then put your password here. Any password. After you put password, click create a new wallet. And then secure my wallet recommended or remind me later not recommended. So just press secure my wallet recommended or remind me later not recommended. So skip account to security. If you skip this security account, the secret recovery phrase may lose account and all of their assets. So click go back and then secure my wallet recommended. And after that, wallet creation successful, press got it. Your MetaMask install is complete. Click next. Click done. Click got it. Click got it. Click got it. Got it. Or see portfolio. And here we go. We go to the MetaMask website. So we are going to show you the MetaMask here. Under your settings, click MetaMask. So this is your MetaMask wallet. So click got it. And next is press this and click add network. And just wait for a couple of seconds. Then you must select BNB chain. Click add. And just wait for a couple of seconds and press approve. And after that, click X, and we have a, then after you select BNBs, click desktop site and just wait for a couple of seconds, and here you can view your BNB chain. Just select BNB chain and just wait for a couple of seconds. You're now using BNB chain. Just click got it. And here we go. And just copy BNB chain. Just click address copy. And next, go to your Buy City dashboard and click receiving wallet. Click add and just wait for a couple of seconds. And here we go. Enter your Buy City BIP20 wallet address. Just paste here and click your add wallet. And just wait for a couple of seconds. Wallet has been updated. And here we go. So you are now a receiving wallet address. And the last step is go to your, just click import tokens and put the token contract address. Here, just paste and remove contact address. Seven, eight. Just wait. Here we go. And click next. The Buy City tokens, click import. And that's it. You have a Buy City token. Just follow the steps in our video.